Hi, this is Coach Kevin here and you're welcome to today's lesson. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you about the Selar affiliate network. A lot of people have been asking me when they see me post my results on the money I make online, especially when I post results that I make from Selar, they begin to ask me and they are saying, oh sir, please, I want to really know how this Selar works. So let me tell you about Selar. So Selar is a digital product platform. It's a platform where you can sell digital products. You can also sell physical products, but basically a lot of people use it to sell digital products. If you are into coaching in the online space, you have a skill that you have learned and you are making impact on others, teaching others, you can host your courses there, and you can also receive payments using that platform from different other countries all around. Even from the US, you can receive payment from it, and other African countries that are around. So but today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on the affiliate network. So the affiliate network is a part of Selar. It's an arm of Selar where you get a lot of products to promote as an affiliate. Some affiliates know about it, but some do not know about it. So I'll be showing you on how to go about your affiliate and how you can make money. We'll start from the registration stage, whereby if you are new to this, you have not been using Selar before, I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to know in this video. So just stay connected. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, you're welcome. I am Coach Kevin and I train people on several ways that they can make money online, just basically with your smartphone. If you have a smartphone, you are good to go, and then internet connection. These are ways that have worked for me and they are still working for me, and that is why I'm sharing it for you. So we'll get diving into the tutorials right now. Just stay connected. So what you need to do is to watch the screen and you follow up with the tutorial that I'm giving now. So the very first thing that you want to do is to move to Chrome. So when you move to Chrome, you're going to type selar.co, selar.co, that's what you type. So that's the digital product platform. You can read about Selar if you're new here. Then you click on login, or you just click on start selling. So when you click on start selling, it's asking you to create an account. But what is very easy for people to do, you can create an account with Google. So if you have your Google here already, there is no need, just click on that Google to create an account. So it's really easy and simple to create an account using Google. So just click on Google, so all your Gmail will come out and you use one of them here. So I'm just going to use one that I've not used before to log in, so and you'll see it. So now we are here. And now we're here. You have to set up your bank details, So you click there to set up your bank details that you want them. So here you choose the bank that you want, and after then you just click on verify account details. So when you click on that, it's going to verify your account details, and that is all that you need to know. That is all that you need to do. Then after you have done that, you now log in. You log in into the Selar. So I'll log in with my previous account. I'll log out now and log in with my the account that I've used before, so that is already here. So I'll log in with that account now. So this is my account. So the account, my current existing account that is here, you can see this is in this my Selar account. Let's check this sales. Let's just check sales and see what you can do and what you can make. So this is over 841 sales and over 700,000 naira here, and you can make money like this when you are doing also affiliate and also promoting your business with the Selar. So if you have logged in already like this, what you need to do is to now type on your search bar, type Selar affiliate. Just type Selar affiliate network. That's what you need to type here. So you type Selar affiliate network. That's what you need to type here. So before then, I want to log in with that account, that new account that I just opened. I want to log in with that new account first before coming here. I want to log in with that new account. Just stay connected. All right, assuming you have that new account here, so what you do now is to click on Seller Affiliate Network. Just type Seller Affiliate Network, and then if you just type, you're going to see affiliate.selar.co, which is this affiliate.selar.co. That is it. So you click on it. Now it's going to ask you to get started. So that's because this is a new account and I've not entered the affiliate network with this. So getting started, you click on it. Yeah, it's asking you that to join the affiliate network, you just need what, 2,000 naira per year. That's about $3 in naira currently. So what you need to do is just click on it and get started. It's almost for free. So within a year, in fact, when you start the affiliate marketing on Selar, you make a lot of money. So just click on get started, make the payment, and you can log in. So I'll log in with an account that is already here, so that you're going to see how that the affiliate network works. So let's do that now. All right, so on this account, let me type again Seller Affiliate Network. So I've logged in with an account that I have paid. That is my account because I already paid for this. So you can see it's showing get started. So I just click on get started, and the affiliate network will open now. So the affiliate network has opened. So you can see there are a lot of products here to promote. Even my product has been added here. So very easy. Let's assume you want to promote my product, which is design like a pro. So design like a pro with smartphone. So you can now see it here. This is my product here, and I'm giving 50% discount. So there are so many courses. Just search any course that you want. You can just search maybe copywriting, and click on search. You see a lot of courses on copywriting that are here. So these are what you can do. What you just need to do to get a particular course. Let me use my course as an example. Design like a pro. So what you do is very simple. Design like a pro, you can see, just click on get link. When you get link, so you can see you can't make yourself an affiliate because I'm the one here. So if you click on it, you'll be able to get the link, and then you promote it out there. So that is what you need to do. In order to become an affiliate. When you promote, people click on it, they make payment. After making payment, you have made a sale for that day. So that is how you become an affiliate on Seller Affiliate Network. Now I would like to share something which is very critical. Let me just face the camera this way. And important. Now, to become an affiliate online, there are some set of skills that you need to have. And those set of skills, they include, you need to know how to sell, you need to know how to create content, because if you're an affiliate, you want to make money from affiliate marketing, people need to see the content that you're selling, they need to see the value that you're promoting before they make payment for it. Because as an affiliate, you are solving problems. Of people. Probably somebody's coming and say, okay, I want to really learn how to design on my smartphone. So you can go to Seller Affiliate Network and pick a course on designing. You pick a course on designing. So when you pick the course on designing, you can now send to the person. You can send to that person, and the person will get the course, and you have made a sale for that day. So that is how it works. So you need to be promoting this product. If you don't promote it, you're not going to get results from the affiliate marketing. So go ahead and implement this in your business. Just implement this and become an affiliate. You have thousands of products that you can promote, and you can also buy for yourself. You can also buy for yourself in the affiliate network. Like probably you want to buy a product and you can go there and buy it, and you get it cheaper. That is, you already be in the affiliate network. Yeah, you get it cheaper, being that most most course creators, they create this product and give affiliate discounts. So when you go there, you click on it, you want to get a particular course that you're seeing outside and you want to get it, you click on it, you can get it cheaper. So that is what you can do, and then just go ahead, implement this. If you have any question, drop on the comment section, I'm going to respond, or you click on the link attached to this video to reach out to me. So thank you so much. I hope you've gotten value from this video. See you in the next video.